Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101, and I'm here at the Whitney Uptown in Dallas, Texas, and this is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. So much fun to see at the Whitney, but one of the things I do want to show off is they do have their own garage. So this is the garage here. You can see it. It's got a great garage. It's got, two bays to go in and out. There's a visitor parking, and then there's also visitor parking, and here is the open spot, so you can go in anytime. So you've got probably, let's see, I'm guessing about maybe 25 spots that are here. And then above that, there's going to be some resident-only parking. So you do have spots. It's important to have this because Uptown can get rather crowded. So if you're going to have guests, it's good to have some guest spots. And then also you do have your resident parking that's in there. So you're going to have a spot in your parking garage. You're going to have at least access to the parking garage so you can park here anytime. So this is the garage situation here at the Whitney Uptown. Now we're going to actually walk inside. We're going to walk back out here and walk inside and go into the Whitney Uptown. You're going to love it. I love it. I've taken a peek at it already. It's super pretty. You're going to love what you see. Hey, if you have questions anytime, or you want to take one of our famous virtual tours, those are live virtual tours that are customized to you, I recommend you send me a text. Just use the number below. It's 100% free. We'll take you on a virtual tour of exactly the apartments that you want to see, and it'll be live.